My great-grandfather purchased this 1973 Oliver 1365, brand new to be driven on the family farm. He drove it, my grandpa drove it, my dad drove it. Now I get to restore it and drive it. Come along with me and watch my restoration journey.
God made a farmer, wasn't like any other man. Tender-hearted, pulling barbed wire, dragging a plow across his land. God made a farmer. He gets up early and he stays up late. He seeds and feeds, weeds and breeds, bleeds and weans and rakes. He'll spend his lifetime praying for rain, and his prized possession is his good name. 3 generations of FFA running through his blood and soul, and he plants his crops row by row in the heartland sun. He'll watch them grow. Yeah, God didn't cut any corners that day. He made a farmer. God made a farmer. He and his wife had a couple kids, a son and a daughter. The boy looked just like his daddy did. He was born a farmer. Thought he wanted a taste of the neon life, but he made that lonesome call back home. Said these city lights are burning my eyes. I want to spend my lifetime praying for rain. I'll do my best to keep your good name. 4 generations of FFA running through my blood. Plant my crops row by row in the heartland sun. I'll watch them grow. God didn't cut any corners that day. He made me a farmer. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, borrow more money while the call out the banker, you watch, flip up the collar on his coat. Said I don't cut any corners, 'cause God made me a farmer. Yeah, he works and he works and he works and he works all day. God made a farmer.
Well, Delo man, we have one more ride to Indiana.
God bless